So this is my Citroen Saxo Desire, and I've probably owned this car for about 10 years now. And if you missed the previous episode, I have been cleaning the rust up on the engine bay, been welding up this plate here, and I cut this plate out here and welded in a brand new section that I had made up. So what we're tackling on today's episode is that I want to jack the car up, take the wheel off and suspension, and have a go at cleaning under the arches, removing all this under seal here, which isn't too great, and there are some rust holes which I need to fill in or make some plates for. So let's get started. As you can see, the arch is not great at all. There's quite a lot of rust here. Some of it can be just surface rust, but up there looks like that might need redoing. And here as well, there is a little bit of a hole there, which I need to sort out. And to actually sand back these welds because they look absolutely horrible. And up there as well. I know you're not going to see this because it's under the arch, but I'd like to just give it a go and try and get it as tidy as I can. So it's pretty straightforward to take these struts off. We have a pinch bolt down the bottom here which I need to take out, and also at the top of the struts we have 3 nuts we just got to undo, and then we should be able to just drop this down and then be able to pull it out of the way so I can get to all the areas where I need to weld up and clean. So let's get on with doing that now. Underneath the arch, now we've got the strut out of the way, so you can see what we've got to clean up here with the welds just here and along here as well. And then yeah, like I said about this rust hole here, which I think I'm gonna have to cut that out and make a plate there as well. I've ended up having to cut a lot more out of the car than what I actually wanted to. So now I have to tack weld all this section up here and make a plate to weld in there. But first I'm gonna have to take a little bit of the interior out. So what I want to do is actually remove the carpet, taking all the bolts out of here, get it all out, because I'm sure the sound deadening underneath is actually a bit wet, so I want to get all that out. But I'll have to take out the bottom tray bit here with the electric windows and take the gator out of here, pull all that out, and then I'll be able to get behind here, where you can see there's like a foam padding here. So if I take that out then, so when I'm going to be welding, it won't catch fire, because that is what I don't want inside the car. Got all the bolts out on here, so now I can pull the carpet up from the back. Got the central console all removed, got all the bolts and the carpet clips removed. I can now start by pulling all the carpet out and getting the sound deadening out from underneath. Done as I put 2 plates here, welded them on, but I thought I'd doing something a little bit different with up here. So normally there is actually a lip that goes up here on both sides, so it's got a bit of a lip here, and we'll come round here. I was thinking of actually just sanding that all back like I have done here, so they're both flat joined, and just doing some tack welds all the way along here, making a little plate there, then to come along here and weld that up.